Kia Sportage QL. Stop and tail lamp bulb replacement. 1. Open the tailgate. 2. Open the service cover.
Good.
3. Loosen the light assembly retaining screws with a cross-tip screwdriver. 4. Remove the rear combination lamp assembly from the body of the vehicle.
Можеш подивитися ближче, показати, як воно там. Все.
Давай.
Давай.
Five. Disconnect the rear combination lamp connector. 6. Remove the socket from the assembly by turning it counterclockwise until the tabs on the socket align with the slots on the assembly. 7. Remove the bulb from the socket by pressing it in and rotating it counterclockwise until the tabs on the bulb align with the slots in the socket. Pull the bulb out of the socket. 8. Insert a new bulb by inserting it into the socket and rotating it until it locks into place. 9. Install the socket in the assembly by aligning the tabs on the socket with the slots in the assembly. Push the socket into the assembly and turn the socket clockwise. 10. Install the rear combination lamp assembly to the body of the vehicle. 11. Install the service cover. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.